Alright, so today we're working on the 09 Scion XB. I want to say generation 2. And what we're doing here is we're actually changing the valve cover gasket. As you can see, we got the valve cover down there. We got the old gasket, which all we gotta do now is just kind of peel it off. After we peel this gasket off, see kind of how we're doing here. We'll go ahead and put the new gasket on there, okay? And see, we got the cams here, the lifters, rockers, if you will. They make it really easy on this 4-cylinder. This is actually the 2.4. Make it really easy to change out the cam rod if you want to do so. And just for some help reference, people having any issues, we went with the Pro right here, Gasket Professional 2.4 here, and this is the part number for the 09 Scion XB. Okay, so just remember, for all of your mobile mechanic needs, the sound here, XB, for a little bit of proof. For all of your mobile mechanic needs, make sure to hit us on our Facebook under Puro Mobile Mechanic. It's Puro Mobile with the E, Mobile Mechanic. Or you can give us a text message at 214-791-7037. Really appreciate y'all.